6 best fruits for hydration and blood flow. Why do I always come up with hydration and blood flow is that when you have a good blood flow and your body is hydrated, that is when every man will perform well as a man. So I am concerned with hydration and blood flow for all men. That is why I came up with this video. 6 best fruits for hydration and blood flow. So if you consume these fruits that I am going to share with you, they will help you to increase blood flow and make you to stay hydrated for the sole aim of performing well as a man. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. But what is a good blood flow? A good blood flow is when your blood in your body system as a man is able to circulate to all parts of your body. And once blood circulates to all parts of your body, that is when you will have a good morning wood. You know what I mean. And to stay hydrated is when you have sufficient water in your body system. That is when you will stay hydrated. And staying hydrated will also help in blood flow. You need to be hydrated in order to have a good blood flow so that you can perform well as a man. What are the fruits? The fruits are, number 1 is carrots. Carrots is the fruits every man need to consume in order to stay hydrated. Number 2 is cucumber. Number 3 is watermelon. Number 4 is apple. Number 5 is orange. Even orange is also good because it contains water. Number 6 is pineapple. You can also consume tomato raw. You can consume tomato raw in order to stay hydrated and to help you to achieve a good blood flow. Another one is pawpaw. With pawpaw, you can also have a good blood flow and a good blood circulation, and it will also make you to stay hydrated. So all these fruits are what men need to be taking in order to be hydrated and to have a good blood flow. But apart from good blood flow and hydration, all these fruits contains loads of vitamins. And you know that vitamins help to boost up our immune system. Vitamins also help you to replace wounded tissues in our body system in case if you have wound or you have tears in your body system. With vitamins, you can get rid of it. So all these benefits are what you are going to derive when you consume all these fruits. Both vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, and most especially to stay hydrated and to have a good blood flow. So that is what I want to share in today's video. And I want to encourage all men to adopt the habits to consume fruits. But consume fruits and consume this that I share today. It will help you to perform well as a man. That is, once you consume these fruits, you will always have a good morning wood. You know what I mean. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to support this channel by subscribing, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.